Thou nature art my goddess. To thy law my services are bound. Wherefore should I stand in the plague of custom and permit the curiosity of nations to deprive me? For that I'm some 12 or 14 moonshines lack of a brother. Why bastard? Wherefore base? And my dimensions are as well compact, my mind as generous, and my shape as true as honest madam's issue. I brand theirs with baseness, bastardy, base, who in the lusty stealth of nature take more composition and face quality than dogs within a dull, stale, and tired bed go to the creating a whole tribe of fops, got between asleep and wake. Well then, legitimate Edgar, I must have your land. A father's love is to the bastard Edmund as to the legitimate. Fine word, legitimate. Where my legitimate, if this latter speed and my invention thrive, Edmund the base shall top the legitimate. I grow, I prosper. Now gods, stand up for bastards.